have 6 games, and every team we know that we need to finish in the top of these 4 teams, because it's the only possibility to qualify. Then obviously every game now, because it's always the first in every competition, in the championship, in every competition, in the local competition, is important. It's like maybe everyone is a little more nervous because it starts a new competition. But finally, we need to get maximum points as possible to arrive to the Asian Cup.
I had the experience in the Asian Games last year, which is it's true that it was in the senior level, but it was with Stimac. I was the head coach of the senior team. Sunil was there. I think Sandes was also there. So it was already kind of an official competition match, which for me was a first experience against India. That definitely, I'm pretty sure, has value for me as a first experience. But again, we know that the record is not the best. We know that since 2003 we haven't been able to win against India, but again, we are very confident that we are stronger than ever, and at least since I'm here, this is the strongest squad we have ever had, and not only performance-wise, but also mentally we feel very strong.